So today you're looking at a Dicom vertical cardboard baler brought to you by Lanco. This unit is in great working condition. As you can see, it's in great shape. This is wired only for 460. Overall dimensions 83 inches length, 44 inches width, 156 inches tall. Total weight is 4,150 pounds. The cylinder is a 2.5 inch rod, 44 inch stroke. We'll get that going for you right now. Go ahead and open the door for you guys really quick. As you can see, great condition. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at the office. Phone number here is 616-887-8300, or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.